Hello, Leo. Welcome to your weekly tarot forecast. This is for the week of January 8th through 14th. You know, already getting into mid-January of 2023. It's crazy. I am beginning with my Eternal Crystals Oracle deck to get a supportive crystal for the week. And these are general readings, so please take them as they resonate. You might want to watch your sun, moon, and rising to gain more information or insight into what's coming in for you for the week. I'm going to see what a good supportive crystal is for you for this week. And if you like the reading, hit that like button, share it with your friends, leave me a comment. And of course, you can hit that subscribe button or that notification bell. Spirit, what do we have, please, for Leo? For the week of January 8th through 14th, we need a supportive crystal, please. What do we have for Leo here, please, Spirit? All right, here we go. We have Chase the Light. Chase the Light, past loved ones. Okay, we have 2 root chakra. Chase the Light. It's about that ancestral connection, supporting that root chakra. Then we have Lepidolite, trust, third eye, and crown chakras. Lepidolite, very good for creating harmony, balance, that connection with your higher self. All right. Lepidolite generates peace and calm. Really, really good supportive crystal for you. All right, what do we have here? Let's pull from our Moonology manifestation to get the underlying energy, the theme for the week, please, Spirit, for Leo for January 8th through 14. What do we have here, please? All right. Full moon in Cancer. Let your fears dissolve. I got this for someone else. I think it was Taurus. I'm not 100% sure, though. Let your fears dissolve. Trust. Trust, universe, creator, spirit's guidance. Trust it. Stay grounded and connected with your ancestors, with the earth. Support that root chakra. Support that third eye and crown chakra. And let your fears dissolve. Believe in the dream. Believe in what you're trying to create. Believe Creator Universe is laying things out for you. Trust that Creator Universe Source is setting things in motion in your favor here. Caring for you, giving you all that you need, providing you with everything that you need. What do we have for Sunday, please? January 8th. What do we have for Sunday, January 8th? Sunday, January 8th. Wow, I'm failing at shuffling here. All right, try that again. January 8th, please. Sunday for Leo. What energy is there for Sunday for Leo? The 9 of Cups. It's all about fulfillment. Inner fulfillment, joy, bliss, happiness. What brings you that fulfillment, that joy, that happiness? You have it. Sunday, take the time to acknowledge the blessings that you've received from Spirit and that inner fulfillment that you feel from all the blessings that universe has brought into your life. What do we have on Monday? You're feeling very fulfilled on Sunday. What does Monday have? The 4 of Wands, security, stability. Wow. This is also abundance and success, happy home life. That stability is there. You're enjoying this, the early part of the week, that inner fulfillment, that stability, security. Acknowledge that, appreciate that, feel gratitude for that. For Sunday and Monday, we have the 8 of Swords and the Ace of Swords here. Interesting, they're both in the reverse. The 8 of Swords is usually, it's about stuck energy. In the reverse, I don't see stuck energy here. But I see you also here. You don't have the clarity and the insight to move forward and take action. Or you're not taking action. Take some time here to gain some clarity, insight, wisdom. Seek out spiritual guidance, perhaps. Some wisdom from Spirit. Some clarity from Spirit. You need that clarity so you can move forward. Or perhaps you're not stuck. You're not trapped. And yet, I see you not moving forward on this, not taking action. Why aren't you taking action? Why are you hesitating? Don't hesitate. Move forward. Do not hesitate. You are free to act. All right, that's Tuesday. What do we have on Wednesday, please? Wednesday. The 7 of Coins on Wednesday. Assessing the situation. Taking a step back, looking at the whole picture. All the evidence, the growth that has taken place. Acknowledge that growth. Take a step back and assess where you are, where you've come from, where you're going. And then Thursday, what are you afraid of? There should be no fear here. Maybe that's where you're not moving. You're not stuck, but you need to move forward. You need to assess the situation. Look at how far you've come, where you're going. And the 10 of Wands. Yeah, things are coming to fruition. Time to reap the harvest. The bounty coming in for you here. The completion of what you were trying to create here. Whatever this cycle was. Things coming to fruition on Thursday. Friday. Okay, on Friday, we have the Queen of Cups. And we have the 10 of Cups. So, we have that abundance, that bliss, that fulfillment, joy, happiness. And we have the Queen of Cups here, in touch with emotion and intuition. Following your intuition is going to bring about this. You're gathering the harvest. It's so much good energy here at the end of the week. Wow. So much good energy here. Listen to your intuition, that guidance. Don't be ruled by your emotion, but listen to that intuition and that inner guidance. Things are coming to fruition here. The fulfillment is there. Very positive energy this week. I really don't see any negative energy. Let's see what we have for Saturday. The Hanged Woman, gaining perspective. Take the time to reflect, to see things from a different perspective, a higher point of view perhaps. Take that time out to look at things and gain understanding, perspective, insight. I think here with this, It's almost as if you're not stuck. You're not in this illusion of being trapped. But you're also, on Tuesday, seem to be clouded in your vision, not clear. And so take the time to connect with Spirit and try and get that clarity that you need. Things are moving along for you. These are very positive here for you. Let go of any fears and move forward. You've come a long way. And in closing, what do we have? All right. See yourself in nature. See yourself in nature. You're connected to everything, a part of everything. See yourself in nature. You might spend some time in nature. That'll help ground you. And spending time in nature meditation will help ground you and will help connect you with Spirit and find that peace so you can release the fears. Connect with nature, with the earth, connect with Spirit, and gain that peace, that understanding, and that clarity that you need. Gain perspective. Let's see what we have here for a rune. And our rune is Jera, all about harvest, the year of harvest. It's about things coming to fruition, getting back what you have invested. It's about prosperity and abundance coming in. Keep moving forward. This is what I have for you, Leo. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a blessed week.